guys, Mary here again, and I'm going to be telling you how to look after your kinky coarse clip-ins. Now, unlike our kinky curls and our kinky straight clip-ins, the kinky coarse clip-ins does require a lot of maintenance. It is prone to tangling and shedding, but a lot of patience and a lot of moisture goes a long way. The best way to store your kinky coarse clip-ins is in its natural packaging. Now, it comes in a plastic bag like this and a storage box, which you should always put your clip-ins back into. Make sure you keep the box away from sunlight, as this helps to preserve the lifespan of the clip-ins. So just like your natural hair, the kinky coarse clip-ins is a tight texture. Instead of using a comb to go for it, use your fingers gently to detangle any knots, and if you do get knots at the bottom, just get a pair of scissors and cut it off. You should deep condition your hair once a month, but if you're a regular user like me, then I would suggest deep conditioning twice a month. Now, shampoo is optional, as it does strip the hair of its natural texture and shine. If you are to use a shampoo, please use a sulfate-free shampoo. Sleeping with your clip-ins is not recommended. However, if you do choose to do so, please make sure you sleep with them in a silk bonnet or using a silk pillowcase.